And that was not intentional. Uh-oh, we have cascading I/O errors. This reminds me of Windows XP again. So, NordVPN is hacked. Security noobs, oh my god, uninstall. Seems anything with the keyword Fortnite is going to make news these days. As always, I have some great news for you here at the PC Security channel. Oh crap. Your personal files are being encrypted. Stop the ransomware from causing further damage while you're watching this video. That's the intro, brought to you by Counter-Strike Global Offensive, the most offensive thing in the world, other than maybe US politics.
You've been watching the PC Security channel.
As with all such stories, this one begins a long time ago. Long before the age of next-gen AVs, Windows Defenders and GDPR policies. It got picked up by CNN, which was initially spotted by someone called Leo. Huh. And I think we've got the culprit for the internet issue. Trojan DNS changer. Boom. Service host. Ooh, system 32. This is nasty. Ouch. But as long as it's going, I'm good with it. It's not like I'm getting tortured, it's just my poor VM. One of my projects during the time was researching malware classification engines and in specific building a ransomware detection system. And today I'll get to show you guys a brief demo of it. But look at these analytics, people don't want to see that. What people want to see is troll ransomware videos. So we have to give them that, right?
Of course.
But here's the catch, if T-Series beats Pewdipie, the private key will be deleted and your file's gone forever. Then we'll do the second opinion scans. Oh no, I have to update again. I don't think we even need to wait for the scan to finish here. We've got a ton of active stuff. There's a ransomware here. It seems the application is particularly unrelenting. It doesn't seem to even let me open File Explorer at the moment, just hogging out the CPU. The reason it's spelled differently is not because the ransomware author doesn't know how to type, it's just because it's in German. Surprising one that, isn't it? Are you waiting for me to do the intro?
Oh, well, it is your video, sir.
Hello and welcome to the PC Security channel. Odd setting for a video. Unusual setting for TPSC video.
PC Security channel. Is that like a website?
I mean, you have a website.
Yeah, I do. Most of it looks like gibberish, which is perfectly normal. By the way, I won a cool book. I actually got this book for asking the best question at one of the talks. It's signed as well. Somebody tell these people I'm moving, I don't have space to carry stuff out. I'll figure out the features, let's say, that we're using to train our AI or something like that. They can easily exploit that to create malware that's always going to be undetectable.
And this is really the problem.
Chocolates.
Chocolatey treats. I've got some Kit Kats.
Bribing people.
I've got normal Kit Kats, dark caramel. It's a good choice.
This time it's Pewdipie that's to blame, or T-Series. I think it's T-Series to blame because they're the ones catching up in terms of sub count. Panda. What an innocuous name, right? Panda 831. A panda wouldn't do anything bad to me. So we've still got Luke Fallwalker, the legend. But today we'll be taking a look at the legendary, one and only McAfee Total Protection. Most of it looks like gibberish, which is perfectly normal. And let's see what the solution is. It doesn't even give you an option. There's no option to go back. Here's a picture of the encrypted files. What can I do about it? So this video is going to be a full guide of dealing with ransomware. So I think the password is password. Luck runs out. If McAfee blocks it, it's good. If it doesn't, well, as they say in the movies, God help us. This is a brand new install of Windows, so this is a perfectly safe system to use. But we have 3 advanced issues. Turns out we've just encountered the largest data breach in history. I think the biggest problem was letting this Trojan run wild. This is still active, and I think it's still creating more samples, downloading more malware, well, doing what malware does.
You've been watching the PC Security channel.
Lots of goodies for you this December. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Leo, and as always, stay informed, stay secure.